What's up, all you Mopar lovers? Look at this bad boy, 1965 Coronet 500. 750 horsepower. Look at all the cool stuff is inside of this car, man. Look at that high rise right there. That's the cool Mopar intake that you're looking for right there. Look at this bad boy. Wow, this thing got a full roll cage. Got some tubs on the back. This thing is ready to race, man. Got some fat Kragers in there. Fuel cell. Let's see. You see this car coming up on you, you're not gonna want to race this thing, because you know why? Because this thing's got the badass edition. Look at that. This thing got one cool motor. You want to see some more Mopars? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.